Hi there, welcome to my channel, Freckled Mom at Home. On my channel we do cleaning, decorating, organizing, and cooking. If you like these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Today I'm super excited to share with you guys. I'm doing a collaboration with a bunch of my friends. Everybody has a room to decorate. I'll explain that in a few minutes. I'm super excited. We're redoing my chamber. Okay, it's just a walk-in closet, but I'm transforming it into my pantry, and I'm really excited to bring you guys along, so let's jump right in.
Like most houses with children, we get ahead of ourselves and we lose track of time, and our organizational skills are not up to par. And that's not an excuse. I definitely need to fix this problem. This is wild. And there is almost an excuse, but not exactly. So as having an older home, we have a lack of storage other than closets, and you're gonna see why. So here is my kitchen, my pride and joy. I love my kitchen, but it is definitely a cottage kitchen. We have open shelves and everything is open, and what isn't open, there's not much of. So we have some floating islands, and this is pretty much our only storage. And again, this is a lot of open space. So we have all our plates and our cups and things we need on a daily basis, as in food. So we definitely need a place that we can store our dry food, our extra food. We enjoy BJ's. It definitely saves money. So here we are at BJ's, and we are getting some shelving, and the big metal shelf was $50. This taller shelf was $30. And originally this metal shelf was $79. We got it on sale, which was amazing. And then this little guy in the corner was $15. So definitely affordable shelving. So head to BJ's if you have a membership. Some people have it as a Costco. There's different names for these kind of wholesale clubs. And then I just went shopping. I definitely needed some bins, and oh my goodness, how beautiful are these bins. I am in love with boxes and storage containers. Here is one of my favorite stores, and so I stopped at a few more stores just so I could get some deals. You guys know me, I'm all about budget. So here is everything I got, and maybe a little bit more. With chronic illness, I am always grateful for some extra hands to help moving things around. So let's get these bins into this closet so we can organize.
If you guys have been to my house before, you know that my house is super old and we have random closets all over the place. So this is one of those random closets, and we are in my basement. My basement is not finished. There is cement floors, but it's definitely not finished, and this is pretty much the only room other than the bathroom that is completely finished. This is the room I keep a lot of my extra food. This needs to be organized. You guys see we have some shelves up, so we're gonna organize and we're gonna put things in order, and I am just super excited. I love organization, and I love neat spaces. It makes me feel good. Who doesn't want an organized pantry? So I got a bunch of different things. I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted or a theme I was going for. Really, the theme is just organization. Always go to Dollar Tree first because you never know what you can find. So I hit up Dollar Tree first, and then I hit up Home Goods. Then I did At Home Store, and then I went to Big Lots. So I did a lot of fun stuff. These shelves are from BJ's, and we have a couple different options in here because of our size limitation in here. So we have these shelves here, and they already have the poles We could have taken them down, but I don't know what I want to do with them in the future, if I would like this to be a closet. So while we have these here, I didn't want to get rid of them. And these are super sturdy shelves. My house is from 1925 and I have no idea when this was built, but it's super sturdy and it smells so nice. If you have a cedar closet or have been in one, you know that it is such a good smelling closet. I'm gonna put everything down in my description just so you know, but we do have 3 different sizes in here, and these ones are all very easy to put together. And so I really just wanted to have a smorgasbord of organization. So we have some of these. These are the stacking shelves. So they just stack right on top of each other. So again, this is gonna be mostly for my food. So we also have some cleaning supplies and all the regular essentials that you need. So if I have room, I'd like to be able to fit it in here as well. Everything was on either clearance or on sale except for 2 items. So this was full price. I like the size of it and I like how sturdy it is. So this one was $10.99. So it's not awfully expensive, but it was my full price item. This is my other full price item. How cute is this? Oh my goodness, I love this. I could have done the entire pantry just in these baskets. I think they're so cute and I love it. These do come off so you can wash this. They just unsnap and you can throw it in the laundry. But I really wanted to have mostly everything plastic just so it's easy to wipe and easy to care for. I got a bunch of these. These came in a 3-pack for $10, so that's not bad at all. And these are just nice and sturdy. I grabbed a couple of these. You never know when you're gonna need one of these mesh baskets. I tried to get everything that you can see through it, so that way there's no more overbuying. This is gonna eliminate that, so I can always see what I have on stock and on hand. So this is from the Dollar Tree. These were also from the Dollar Tree. So I had gotten a bunch of these, and these ones are made by Sterilite. So I actually looked for them online, and for some reason they're like $86. Like, that's wild. I got them at Big Lots for $4.75, and I think I saw them at Target for $6, and Walmart had it for like $5 and change. So these are definitely good. They are still kind of see-through, but they're open enough that you can see what's in there. I wasn't sure because I have these poles if I was gonna utilize them. And so I grabbed a couple of these. These are just those hanging organizers. You could put like your shoes in it or sweaters, and they're not super sturdy. So we'll see how much I can get in there, but I did move one of the shelves, so I do have enough room to put one of them. I do want to give it a good sweeping and a good wipe down before we start putting food back in here.
As a young girl, it feels we're mine. If you're new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. If you're returning, hey. We like to clean, organize, decorate, and cook here. For this collaboration, I got Pantry, and I hope you're enjoying the organization tips. If you like these kind of videos, please consider subscribing and joining our family. Also, when you hit the bell, you'll be notified every time I post a new video. You can also find me on Instagram as Freckled Mom. Take me back, all the way back. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me. This is a summer refresh. We were brought together by my good friend Missy from the Crafty Cove. Each of us creators got a room to refresh. There is a giveaway from Cricket thanks to Megan at the Crafty Quinn. To be entered, answer each creator's question down in the comments. All entries must be made before the deadline July 19th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be 2 winners, one for the Cricut Joy and one for the Easy Press Mini, open only to U.S. residents. Don't forget to listen for my question and follow along the playlist. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and to be entered into the giveaway, comment below if you have a pantry, and if so, does it need a little refreshing? If you found inspiration or like these kind of videos, please consider subscribing and joining our family. You can also find me on Instagram as Freckled Mom. If you like crafting and DIY, please subscribe to my Freckled Mom DIY channel as well. That link is down in my description. I have a lot coming up on both channels, so make sure you hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Another way you can support my channel is buymeacoffee.com. That link is also down in my description. Don't forget, this was a playlist. Look for the link to the playlist and the rules to the giveaway down in my description. Have a great day, and I hope to see you back soon.